Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah, and today it is Monday. Happy Monday, May 23rd, and I see a nice little setup right now. Now, there's two areas that it can fall from. We still got about 15 minutes till open, so I'm trying to be patient and waiting for my zone. You guys can kind of see what's happening right here. Um, so let's just keep it simple, right? So go to a higher time frame. Let's go to the hour chart right here. So obviously we had a break below, right? Broke below these lows. Boom. Now, one thing that I've seen was that the 1 hour 50 EMA was rejected, right? So we see that it pushed up into the EMA and rejected it. Now, it could come down from this level right here. I think it's a good possibility it doesn't make it up to the zone that we originally want to go to, but let's try to be patient with it, right? But you could still see that we're clearly in a downtrend, right? Um, Lower low, broke below this low, and price just came back and filled everything, right? These are IMG gaps. We could go back down to the 15 minute. These are IMG gaps that need to be filled, right? So price came up, filled it, and the same level we took our trade on Friday from, man, I regret not holding that trade. I only caught 88 of the potential 537, so I pulled 450 pips early on this shit, and I just got to get better at it, you know. Um, oops. All right, we'll just call it that. 88 pips that I caught. And the same level that we took that sell from, same level, is the same level that was rejected here. Now, could have taken, so whatever. Let me not stray way too far. Um, where I'm at now, so let's just keep it simple. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So right here is where I think the break of structure happened, right? I think the breaker structure happened right here. This low was broken by this low, right? And then if we draw out the fib, like I did, from the most recent high to the most recent low, you could see that price already pushed into this zone, right? Already pushed into this area and basically came up to the 61% and rejected it. Now I like this area just because we have this 5 minute ILC. We have about a 40 pip stop loss right here. It's pretty key though, right? Yeah, we're in this tricky situation right here, in this sticky situation right here. So you can see the breaker structure a little bit more clearly. All right, higher high, higher high, lower low. First broke below. And I try to do it on the 15 minute because this gives us a little bit more clear market structure than the 5 minute. And obviously you can see that. So price looks to be sitting in the zone pretty well. And I noticed this is an area that is key, right? This is an IOC that has been respected multiple times, right? Boom, 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 all this support. So I don't want to keep it here because this is usually what takes me out of my trade, but I'm going to keep it on this side just to be mindful of it if we're coming down and price reverses because price could reverse, right? And, you know, we're never 100% clear on our trades. But I do like the trade from this level up here. I think price can make its way, but obviously, um, usually what I do is if I don't catch the trade here, I'll catch it here, right? Because we have the 5 minute and the 15 minute 50 EMA both coming in right here. And I think price could reject it, right? So we'll see if it shows some respect right here. You can see it's already kind of using it as a resistance level. So this is resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance. I guess a little bit more resistance, resistance, right? Support, support, resistance. So it's not a strong area, but it's definitely an area of supply and demand right here. So you can see it rejecting it already, and I don't want to get in this early, even though it might be a mistake, right? Just because at open we could see price push up here, or we could even see it fly up here, right? So it's all possible. Or it could just fly down and we miss the trade, right? But I like to wait till open. I've had to learn the hard way of putting in the trade. Let's say I seen the rejection a year ago, I'd have been like, oh shit, it's coming down, right? Now put the trade in. And now your stop loss is looking like 100 pips, which a lot of people do, right? Especially trading indices like the NASDAQ and US30, 100 pip stop losses, but I don't like doing those. Um, I try to minimize my stops as much as possible, so we could go ahead and keep them here. So yeah, I mean, this is the trade that I'm looking at. I like it. I like, let's keep it simple, right? Break a structure. We already had the retracement up to the 61%. We'll see if we can get another retest at this level. I think it's possible. When we look at the 15-minute, we could see a quick little wick in and then a pullback. So we could have like a wick in and then we could see the body of price. So it depends, right? Where, but we could see a wick in and a wick out. That'll be perfect. It depends where this 15-minute one finishes too. If it finishes a little bullish, that'll be cool. And then we could see that wick in and come down. If it finishes bearish, that's cool too. We're probably going to see it something like that. So yeah, I hate when I get to these positions because it's so hard to get the stop loss right. Um, but let's make sure it doesn't come up here first. This is the main target right here. I mean, I guess we could go right here. This is the main target. We could keep it here at like 55 pips. And yeah, let's see. So sorry guys, there's something happening right here. YouTube is not receiving enough video. Hold on one second. Let me know if you guys are seeing like a lot of hold on. I think it's time for me to get an actual desktop. Okay, cancel. Okay, let me know if it's buffering crazy or something. All right. Says we're good, but let me know if the stream health isn't. Stream health is excellent. YouTube is not. Huh. You know what? If you guys don't mind, let me go ahead and restart my laptop really quick. So we'll shut down the stream and then I'll go ahead and hop back on. Let's do it right now. We still got about 7 minutes till open, so let me go ahead and restart it real quick just so we have a clear stream. I don't want it to be too buffering. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna just open up a new stream, so give me a second. Here, one sec. My score was 81 last night. Good. I'm so tired. Let me eat it. Huh?